guys, it's me, Nikki, and my brother Jake from Life with Nikki and Jake. So today we are going to be
showing all of our slimes that we made.
So
I'm going to be sharing the first one.
Yeah.
So this one we made today. It's called blueberry beads because it looks like
crunchy
blue,
with blue. It's blue with colorful beads in it. It's awesome. It's so soft.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna show you banana slime.
The banana one.
Yeah. It's a little hard on the top, but on the bottom it's soft. Little bad, but it's fun. So, take it.
Yeah.
I'll be showing you now the slime that I made today.
You made a strawberry one.
Yes, strawberry, and it's awesome for making swirls.
Strawberry shortcake.
Everybody get your picture.
Look, it's strawberry shortcake.
Yeah, strawberry shortcake. And and then we have
we have this one.
Let me open it. No, that's thinking putty.
We have this one, which is it's gooey, but it
feels like flurp. We made a consistency that feels like flurp.
It's kind of really not slime, but it's
slime.
It's called slime, but it's really watery.
It's like jiggly slime. And then now we're gonna be reviewing this. This slime. It's so good. Let's just get a close up on that. And little sticky, but it's slime. It's actually no, it's not sticky anymore. It used to be sticky, but it's perfect slime now.
The next one we're gonna be showing you is this one. It's
Play-Doh mixed with silver slime. Yeah.
Yeah, it's brown. It's brown. We call it milk chocolate slime.
Yeah.
It's
we call it
barely stretchy.
Yeah, it's not stretchy, but it's kind of watery too. That back. And then I'm just gonna get my crunchy slime that I just stored in a flurp, an empty. I had to throw away my flurp, but it's awesome. It's awesome, and it's very stretchy. Now we're going to be showing you Jake, it's water.
We're going to be showing you another
water! Yes. And then this one, which we also stored in an empty flurp container. It's awesome slime. Scented too. I wish you guys can smell it. It's raspberry.
Okay, we have another one.
Take it out.
I'll do it.
And we have a bunch that is stored in empty flurp containers, right, Jake?
Here
you go. Shoot.
I farted.
No, he did not.
Yeah, I did.
And we also have a fidget spinner. We're doing a giveaway. You have to link down below.
Subscribe to our channel and like what slime do you like? And we're gonna be giving fidget spinners away.
Yeah. You have to comment down below what is your favorite slime, and then subscribe and like this video, and then you could possibly win a free fidget spinner.
Okay, we have another slime. Wait, I think we have one more. We have one more slime. What's this?
Oh, and this. Oh yeah, that one. I put glitter in that one.
Okay, it's not good.
This one, it smells really good. It smells like chocolate, and it's very good. We're looking for some more. I'm not sure there's any more.
Wait, we have one more.
One more. Yeah.
We have one more. It's kind of like the purple one, but it's green.
Yeah.
It's kind of like the purple one, but it's green.
And then we have a little bit of this one. Sorry about the bad lighting. It's really, shoot. Just cover that up. So, is mine? Yeah. Okay. So, and we just have this one. It's awesome. It's like the purple one. It actually looks more pink. It looks purple on the camera, but pink over here. And then yeah,
That's it.
No, I think we have a couple more.
No, that's it.
What about? Did we show you guys? I think. Hold on one second. Jay, can you keep them company? While I leave for a second.
Wait, we have one more.
Oh, one more. Here, give it to me.
Oh, wait, we have two more. You show them that one. I'll show you guys this.
Okay, got it. We stored it in this container that we bought at Michael's. It's, we actually made it with clear glue. Right, Jake?
Uh-huh.
It's it's actually perfect. I can't get all of it out, but... I wish you could smell my house. It smells awesome. It smells like mints. Like a good mint.
Okay.
What the heck?
See you guys. That's it. Bye.